Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter O'Neill, and in today's video is a little bit of a chat and a look at some of the gold that's come in the shop this week. Now, as I told you originally, I had a gold sovereign and mount and that come in. I finally remembered to bring that down, and I've got a little bit of gold that come in yesterday, so I'm going to show you that. I don't think I filmed the gold already. It was either yesterday or the day before it came in. I don't think I filmed it anyway, so get to show you that, and then after that I'm going to have a little chat about what happened yesterday in school with Daniel's presentation. So yeah, stick around, hopefully you'll enjoy. But we'll start off. I'm going to show you the pieces that have come in the shop now, and hopefully you'll enjoy taking a look at them. So see you in a second. Okay, so here we go. I finally remembered to bring the Sovereign down the shop, so let's get to showing you this. Is it going to focus in? There we go, just about. So, as you can see, we have a full Sovereign, 1911 with a BM mint mark, I presume that's Birmingham. 9 carat gold mount and a 9 carat gold chain. Coins in lovely condition. Well, to be honest with you, the whole thing is in lovely condition. It's a nice object. No, I paid £170 for it, which is a very fair price. It leaves me plenty of profit, and she was very happy. She had been offered 100 up in that cash generator place, so, or at least that's what she said anyway. She said to me, I'd been offered 100. Well, I took one look at it and I upped the offer 170. So there we go. Nice little Sovereign, guys. These come in halves or full. One's 4 grams, one's 8 grams. So that's the first, guys. Okay, here's the other couple of bits that came in. Obviously we have a bracelet here, rope chain bracelet in 9 carat gold. It's broke, so this is a scrapper. Single odd earring there, another single odd earring there. This is beautiful. Is it going to focus in for me? Come on now, be nice. Hopefully it's focusing in now. What we got here is a beautiful opal and diamond pendant. Absolutely stunning. With a matching pair of opal earrings. I really don't know why it's not focusing in very well. There you go. I'm hoping you can see the beautiful opals. It's not the best, to be totally honest with you, here with the camera. Now my camera for some reason just isn't picking it up, guys. I'll try and put a photo on, see if a photo can capture the opal. But diamond and opal, pair of opal earrings, bracelet and 2 odd earrings, and I had some other bits that were non-jewellery related. Excuse me, sorry guys. I had some other bits that were non-jewellery related in with it, and I gave him £40. Or was it 45? It was either 40 or 45 pound I give him for the whole lot. So what can I say? The bracelet's about 3 grams. So we're doing all right. Okay guys, so the photograph works. You can really see how beautiful that opal pendant and earrings are. I'll mount them on a chain and put them away. They really are quite something. Now for those of you who follow my channel, you'll be aware that I had to attend a presentation ceremony yesterday for my son. He was being awarded in the school for his accelerating reading program and his achievements in reading and things. Now, we got there about 6 o'clock, and to be totally honest with you, they didn't start the awards until 7. They had a guest speaker there. Now, a bit of a long-winded story, but it has got a purpose. Now, this gentleman who was introduced, it took pretty much 5-10 minutes for reading out his achievements, just to introduce him, for him to come up on stage to talk. And I'm not being funny, he's got that many letters after his name, he could fill an alphabet. His achievements were astronomical. He lectures in half a dozen different universities. He's been all over the world helping people. He does charity work. He's been on TV with David Attenborough and everything. Anyway, after about 5 or 10 minutes of chatting and introducing this man, to be honest with you, I was sat there thinking, she was spooling off all these different things, and first thing that came to mind was, at what point does this man got a life? Because honest to God, she was spooling this off, spooling that off, spooling this off, and I thought, wow. And it wasn't just me, everybody was thinking, Jesus, what the hell is this? And in my head I was going to shout out, all he needs now is a cape and he'll be Superman. Because honest to God, I'd never heard a list like it in my life. Anyway, finally, she finishes and she calls him up on stage. And with the list of academic qualifications this gentleman had, and his list of achievements, and his list of things he does, and not to mention he found the time to go to Mountain Ash Comprehensive School to give these awards out, I thought, he's going to be a 60-70-year-old man. There's no way anybody could achieve that amount. Sorry about that, guys. Camera again. So as I was saying, anyway, this gentleman finally got finished, and they called him up, and I was expecting somebody seriously old to come up. Anyway, a man in his late 40s, yeah, I'd say probably late 40s. He was born in the 60s, so where is he? Late 60s, so it's 30, 40, maybe in his 50s then. Anyway, man in his 50s come up, and I thought, okay. Anyway, he introduced himself, and then he started to tell a story. Now, the story he told was, to be honest with you, he's a very good storyteller. He started off talking about his life. And basically, he started off telling us how he came from a single parent family in Cardiff, in the slums, with no money, with suffering with dyslexia and so forth. And then basically we had his entire story, how he used to read Ladybird books, and he used to go down to the beach and things and he'd sit there and he'd look at fossils and he'd look at insects, and apparently he was sat down somewhere one day and a snake went on his leg, and that was it. He was hooked on animals and reptiles and that. Anyway, he went to work after leaving school, being told to leave school because he'd be nothing more than a shelf stacker. He left school and he went to work in a pet shop scrubbing tanks and that. While he was scrubbing the tanks, he was learning all about the animals and the fish and everything that were in there, because it was his passion. And eventually, anyway, long story short, because it took about 45 minutes to tell, he went down to the university, who basically told him, "You got no qualifications, you got no chance, we can't take you," and that, until he expressed to them his knowledge on reptiles and fish, aquatics, and so forth. And then, anyway, they eventually took him in on a gamble, and after 20-something years, he now runs the job of the gentleman who originally recruited him. He's the head of, I don't know how many departments. He's been on TV doing documentaries with David Attenborough. He's the wildlife ambassador and so on. Unbelievable. Anyway, after about 45 minutes, his story finished, and the moral of his story was that no matter what you do, don't ever give up and keep trying. He was told, he left school with no qualifications. He was pretty much told to leave and he left. Yet this gentleman who was stood in front of us last night has to be one of the most decorated men with academic achievements and, well, just achievements in general, and his job titles and descriptions, that I don't think I've met another man who's achieved greater. I really don't. And if you want to look him up, his name was Dr. Rhys Jones, and he's from Cardiff. He even gave us a story on how he went to see Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, and that got him hooked on archaeology and things. So it was a very good story, as in, why I'm bringing it up. Back some time ago, I had an argument with a couple of antique dealers on Facebook, because I said anybody can be an antique dealer, and they said no, you can't, you have to have a special certain something, you have to be intelligent, you have to do this, you have to study here and there. And I'm self-taught, and I left school with very little qualifications, and I'm self-taught, so there was a lot of relevance between what Dr. Rhys Jones has gone through to what I'm going through. I'm now sat down reading 6 hours a day studying Chinese porcelain, whereas he self-taught himself in the beginning all the aquatics and reptiles and animals and things. So all in all, very similar stories. And I thought to myself, I'm really struggling to learn this Chinese porcelain, and I'm always trying to learn more things and improve my business. And basically I thought, if he can achieve what he've achieved, then I need to keep working hard and keep struggling and going forward to achieve what my dreams are. And if he can achieve that, and I can achieve what I've achieved and still going, then I don't see why you, irrelevant to your background or qualifications or anything else, can't achieve whatever you want to dream. So, long-winded way of saying, you know, don't believe if other people tell you you can't do something, don't believe them. If you believe in your heart you want to do something, just put the work in, guys. Work pays. It really does. I'm working at the moment, as I said, 6 hours a day on learning Chinese porcelain. I'm nowhere near even having a grasp on it yet. Alright, other antique dealers may read a book once or twice and have a really good general idea. So what if I got to work a bit harder at it? I'll get there. So, you know, there's a lot of new people coming on my channel and they just say, you know, your videos to help a lot and this and that. Do whatever you got to do. Watch videos, read books, you know, watch your TV, you know, bargain hunts and everything. They always help. There's always tips. If you want to learn antiques, just do it. Really, guys, just follow your dream. Do you know, everybody said to me when I was opening the shop, don't be so stupid, you got no chance. Do you know, I've made it work. I really have. I've made it work. Now, I know you need to do 3 years to know whether something's worked or not, because a lot of businesses shut down in the first 3 years. And if my business failed, at least I've tried. At least I won't have the regrets of saying, do you know, I still wish I'd had a shop and I'd never tried. So, whatever your dreams are, guys, keep going from. I'm going to leave it there anyway. Main reason today was to show you the gold. I was super proud of Daniel. To be honest with you, all the people that were up on stage getting awarded last night, they were having awards for this, awards for that, and he was spooling off. And this student's having awards for excellent achievements and this and that, and he's attending university now, straight from school to study medicine. This one was doing microbiology and everything else, and I'm thinking, these kids are going from school and then this bright, and Daniel was stood up there receiving his AR award, and I thought, really? I'm super proud of him. So I made sure I told him how proud I was of him last night. So yeah, super happy. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it didn't bore you too much at the end there. If you've enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a like and a share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you've subscribed. You'll find me on Facebook, I have a page on the group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on my own website, AntiquesArena.co.uk and AntiquesArena.com. Or you can come see me in the shop, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot 45, 3 Hotel Bravo. Sorry about the camera going light and dark, guys. I'm going to have to get a new camera. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.